How's everybody doing? Andreas here at Sea from Cruise Bazaar channel here on YouTube, and I'm back now with more power with my wife. We're gonna walk around here on board MSC Seaside. Just a normal walk around here the ship to show you the open deck areas. Let's do this. Lucky today I have my wife. Hi. Raquel, let's go. Let's start walking, okay? Let's start walking around and see this amazing, beautiful cruise ship MSC Seaside. The weather is so and so today. Eh?
It's okay, it's autumn. If you consider we're in a half autumn, it's not bad.
It's true. I mean, end of October we're filming this video.
Yeah.
We're in Marseille, so in Marseille usually, it's supposed to be colder. So, but let's see. Look how beautiful is the back. The ship is big. We're 4,500 guests capacity. So we are not full completely. The ship takes up to 5,500, but because of the families, the ship cannot accommodate more than 4,500. Oh, have a movie. Let's check it out. That's cool. That was just an advertisement. That's cool.
Because MSC advertised the M1
Formula One were the sponsors. That's good.
Yeah, they do also cruises with the Formula
You see
One.
here, look, this is for the guests with special needs, ADA, so they can use the chair to go in the pool. This is
This way.
the machine. So let's go walk down. See. Oh, let's see. Look at this. Beautiful. Look at this huge ship. Wow, my God. I don't think that's a cruise ship, no?
No, it's a cargo.
Let's go down. Let's see our cruise. So Raquel and me, my wife, we are married for now 7 years. I'm very fortunate to have her with me now cruising. That's the positive things of my job working as a hotel director. I can bring my wife and my family to cruise, right?
Actually, we met on board. Not here, further away, actually in Australia.
So this is the Miami Beach pool here at Seaside. Very cool area. Jacuzzi.
Sorry, I love the hippopotamus. So funny.
Yeah. You see, this chair is important to say.
I think it's great. I love that.
This
MSC
not
take care of
every
this.
ship has that. Not every ship, but the modern new ships, we always make sure we have this service for our guests. It's accessible for all our guests to have a cruise and have a great experience.
Also, the cabins for ADA are amazing. You don't have idea how good they are, how well are prepared for this.
This amazing huge screen we have there that we can watch movies, broadcast also the games, football, and we have this helicopter pad.
Let's go closer.
Let's go take the helicopter pad.
La pantalla.
Yeah.
Por aquí ponen sillas y pueden ver el juego, el fútbol, películas. Ah, sorry, I'm
No
speaking
problem.
Spanish.
We speak Spanglish anyway. It's a screen, we can watch the games, relax here in the night, sometimes watch a movie. Let's go check the helicopter pad.
And receive all of the exclusive benefits. Then your reservations will be transferred back to your travel partner. Nothing makes the last day of your cruise easier than knowing your next one is booked for you. So don't miss out on this exclusive opportunity and start planning
This
your
is the
next
helicopter
adventure.
pad, and this is used in case of emergency.
So make sure
Or to do TikTok videos. We just saw a couple of minutes ago from the back doing a dancing TikTok video. Was very
Actually,
funny.
you see here.
Actually, the way and the landscape is amazing to do a TikTok video.
Basically, here what happens. This
hello.
location over here, if something goes wrong with a guest or with a crew member, and we have a medical situation, a medical emergency, the operation takes place here. So there is a team of experts on board who take care of all our guests and crew. Safety is our priority, so and health of all our guests. So there is a specific operation that's running, and we take care that our guest disembarks the ship safely with a helicopter. This is the helicopter pad.
and destination, they'll help you book your perfect
Let's
itinerary.
go check more around the ship.
So easy, and you can have your next vacation customized and booked before you even pack your bags to go home.
And over here we have another jacuzzi. There's plenty of jacuzzis on board. I love them especially when they're windy, a little bit colder days like today. Just let you swim, we get wet a little bit. Now we're coming to a very nice place that is called the Bridge of Sighs. What I like the most here, if you like amazing photos or you're a TikToker, Instagrammer, you want to take a very cool photos or enjoy a nice view, this is the best part.
I'm gonna walk through it just quickly. You can't see it here. It's scary. Yeah. Let me check it out. Oh my god. I'm gonna do it. I'm doing as quick as possible because I don't like to walk. Are you scared or no?
Not anymore.
No? You did it?
I already overcome my fear.
Oh my god. So after going through the Bridge of Sighs, just gonna continue walking. We did it. We're very proud of it, right?
Yeah.
I was scared a little bit, but let's go walk a little bit more around the ship. It's interesting. Okay, we're going up now. Let's go quickly because it's very windy. We go on deck 18 because you know what? We do not have deck 17 here. On all the Italian ships, there is no deck 17 because deck 17 for the Italians is bad luck. So from 16 we go to 18. Let's go. Let's go check for the open deck area. Very, very windy from here. Now we're gonna go walk through. This is the kids club here. We're not showing inside, but it's
A little bit. In another time, we'll make a video.
we are now getting Halloween, huh? It's almost Halloween.
Spooky season.
Spooky. Now, let's walk through. Be careful, it's a little bit slippery. Here is where you do the slides. We need to do one time, huh? We have to.
Of course.
Let's see. Come on, let's go. Come on, come on. Oh my god. I don't know about you guys, but I think I will get in. Not now, next time. In the uniform, no. Let's go to the jungle pool that you can open and close. Yeah?
It's one of my favorite pools because you can go even when it's cold.
Nice. Let's go. Here you have the jungle pool, an amazing bar here for all your services. Here the pool to relax. We have the covered pool. We close today because it's a little bit windy. But usually when the weather gets better, we open and we have the sunshine.
That's why it's my favorite pool here.
That's it. We have two jacuzzis, right? They have two jacuzzis for the last.
1 and 2.
And of course, at the bar you have this amazing ice cream that is hiding.
Mango, strawberry, coconut, caramel panna cotta, flor de latte, vanilla.
Look at this smile, look.
Yeah.
Very nice, very nice.
I love cappuccino, mucho caviar,
Wow, wow.
and I love tiramisu, is my favorite.
Great.
Also, the pistachio is the best. My kids love pistachio.
I have two friends here, obviously they are made from Lego. very cool and very interesting. We'll have the kids small area. Look at it over here. You can see a little bit of sitting area here. There's a lot of space on board here at MSC Seaside. Kind of relax here. It's a small playground for, you know, for kids if they want to hang out and play in the open deck. So, not bad. Cool. Let's go check out the rest of the open decks. Let's go. That's the best part of my job. My wife says to me, I have to rest. I never rest. I love this. Wow.
You do siesta like Spanish.
Yeah. Maybe we can see a little bit of water slides from where they start, because we saw before where they're ending, but let's go and see also the top part where they start. Wow. Look at this, so cool. And a huge logo of MSC. My God. Let's go to the top. Now it's coming, somebody's coming. Look, look. Someone's coming. Wow! Let's go. My wife is gonna take the turn. Sports Arena, let's check out the board jacuzzis here, more space. You can see also from here, there's more space. Sunbeds that you can hang out. So there's really a lot of open space here on MSC Seaside, but you can relax. So there's no excuse that we don't have enough sunbeds for everybody. We have stacks of sunbeds waiting to be used. We have the best weather and we have 5,000 plus guests. We still have space and we have a lot of sunbeds. Yeah. Let's go check out more stuff. Check this 1 second. Yes. I've never been there. Let's go check it out. How many steps we got? We're 18, we go more high now. Let's go. Oh my God. Keep going.
More stairs? Really?
Now, it's like the 22 or something.
Oh my God, more.
We are quite high already. Look at the view from here, wow. It is impressive. This is where all begins, and this goes from there.
It's one of the slides with this donut thing.
Yeah, and look at the view from here. Eh? We're quite high here. And this is the other slides, right?
It's the faster one. It's not good. Just yourself.
Oh my God. Are you going?
Next time, and then you can record me. Woo!
So we're doing here a Helipad here, and we can have a drink and this is a Miramar bar, very nice. You can have drinks, the guests, the best, the best. And of course you can see the view, and from here it's nice because you can watch also the games. Look. You have the screen here, so if you want to hang out here, there also is a smoking section. So you can watch all the games and you have the smoking section. Look so nice. So I think it's great. See you later.
See you.
Bye bye. All these videos we do, guys, is not easy at all. Trust me, we spend a lot of time filming, going around. My wife is already.
I'm tired.
Ah,
I'm
let's
telling
finish.
him, no gym today. This is enough.
We walk all around the 50 kilometers. Let's check out the sports arena and we are almost ready. Let's go. Too many stairs today. But it's worth it because what are we showing you today? It's amazing. Look at that. This is sports arena. MSC Seaside. I know there is a lot of ship tours all around the internet on YouTube, but we give you a more detailed ship tour with area by area and with more comments. You can play football here, cool. And from here, let's check out this view to finish this amazing tour with what an ending. Wow. Thanks for watching. Andreas at sea.
I'm Raquel.
Raquel at sea. Raquel del Mar.
It's like a telenovela.
Cruise Bazaar channel. We travel around the world. I'm an officer. I'm hotel director on cruise ships. My wife is a doctor, but also a cruiser. So you're gonna have all the information you need from a cruiser and someone working on cruise ships. 25 years experience in this business. Cruiser for 10 years. I think it's enough. 35 years of experience in cruise ships. We finished the video. Subscribe and like. Don't forget Cruise Bazaar. All about cruises. Andreas and Raquel. Bye. Ciao.